Liora lived in a town full of life. Flowers spilled from window boxes. Laughter echoed in the market square. The scent of baking bread wafted on the breeze. Liora loved colours. She wove them into beautiful tapestries. Her nimble fingers danced across the loom, a symphony of motion. Each thread held a story, waiting to be told. Liora's shop was a haven of warmth. People gathered there, sharing stories and laughter. Her kind eyes and gentle smile welcomed everyone. She had a gift for listening, for understanding the language of the heart. Liora believed in the power of stories. They connected people, weaving a vibrant tapestry of life. Then, the storm hit. It raged for days, relentless and unforgiving. The wind howled, a hungry beast. Rain lashed down, a furious torrent. The once peaceful river turned into a raging monster. When the storm finally subsided, the town lay in ruins. Homes were destroyed, reduced to rubble. The market square, once so full of life, was now eerily silent. Despair hung heavy in the air, a suffocating blanket. The storm had taken everything, leaving behind only shattered dreams and broken hearts. Liora, though heartbroken, refused to give in to despair. She looked at her loom, the colourful threads a stark contrast to the desolation outside. An idea sparked in her mind, a glimmer of hope in the darkness. She would weave a tapestry, a testament to their resilience, a symbol of their unyielding spirit. This tapestry would not depict the storm's fury. It would tell the story of their community, their strength, their unwavering bond. Each thread would represent a story, a piece of their shared history. Liora believed that by weaving their stories together, she could help them heal, stitch by stitch, thread by thread. Section 4. Weaving Stories, Mending Lives. Liora went from house to house, her heart heavy with their shared loss. She listened to their stories, their voices raw with grief and pain. Old Thomas, the baker, wept as he spoke of his beloved bakery, now reduced to ashes. Young Liora, her eyes filled with fear, recounted the terror of the storm. Each story, etched with pain and loss, touched Liora's heart. She saw their resilience, their determination to rebuild their lives. She saw the love that bound them together, a force stronger than any storm. Liora knew then that her tapestry would be a testament to the enduring power of the human spirit. Section 5. A tapestry of shared experiences. Liora began to weave. Her loom became a sanctuary, a place of healing and hope. The rhythmic clatter of the shuttle was a soothing balm to the town's wounded soul. With each thread, she wove their stories into the tapestry. The vibrant colours began to tell a tale of resilience and hope. The deep blue of the river, now calm and serene, flowed through the tapestry. The warm brown of the earth symbolised their connection to their land. The bright hues of the flowers, slowly beginning to bloom again, represented hope and renewal. And amidst it all, she wove the faces of her people, their eyes reflecting their strength and their unwavering spirit. Section 6. United by threads, bound by hope. As the tapestry grew, so did the townspeople's fascination. They gathered at Liora's shop, watching as their stories came to life. The tapestry became a focal point, a shared experience that transcended their individual pain. They saw themselves in the threads, their shared history, their collective strength. The tapestry became a symbol of hope, a reminder that even in the face of adversity, the human spirit could endure. It brought them together, reminding them that they were not alone in their grief. In the shared space of Liora's shop, they found solace, comfort, and a renewed sense of community. Section 7. A legacy of resilience. Finally, the tapestry was complete. It hung in the heart of the rebuilt town square, a testament to their resilience, a beacon of hope for the future. The tapestry, a vibrant tapestry of their shared experience, became a source of strength and inspiration for generations to come. Liora, the weaver, had given them more than just a tapestry. She had given them a way to heal, to remember, and to hope. The tapestry stood as a symbol of their indomitable spirit, a testament to the power of human connection, and a legacy of resilience for generations to come.